Why can't I hear anything? 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now you should hear me, right? Where is the chat on this? Okay, there. Okay, yeah, can hear you. Okay, nice, guys. How is the quality? Is good or is it shit? Shit, I forgot to open YouTube. Maybe there are some people there. Seems good. Okay. All right, and it's sharing. Looks like it's sharing correct. Can YouTube hear me? Guys, we are on Discord. So you guys know. Can YouTube hear me? Okay, shit. Yeah, you can. Aloha. What's up, Yota? We are in Discord, so you can join here if you also want. But I'm doing only YouTube so it records. Yes, we hear you. Okay, nice. Moving to this. Yeah, come to Discord. It's faster. It's no latency here. I only open YouTube just so you guys so it records. So for the other people that want to watch after. Let me just see what can you guys show my screen record. Quality 30 FPS. I can't put higher. Ah, they want nitro. Okay. Yo, if you do this more often, I will get nitro for this server. But that's only if we want to do this more often. And obviously, I can fix it if you guys. If I see that many people want it, I will fix nitro for the server so you guys can backtest with better quality. But this is the first time. That's it. Let me see quality. Ooh. If you're fine with this quality for now, then we can go. Yeah, no worries. Quality is good. Okay. It works for today since, yeah. All right. Let me see something. Let me fix something. Can I maybe? Wait. Let me just add something on YouTube for the people that joined because I see some people are joining. Text. Are live. Chat here. One moment, guys. I'm just gonna fix. What time stock open to you? No, bro. Around 15:30 if you mean that. But today we don't have. I think market's closed. Wait, how can I fix this? Where is this text? Why doesn't it show? Oh my god. Okay, font size. Ah, okay. Now it works. Live on Discord. This is just won't read chat here. Okay, this is only for recording purpose. Font style. And this girl won't read chat here. Let me put it red so people see it. Okay, that's fine. Okay, that's it. Okay, now people on YouTube should know. Okay, let's see. Nice. Okay, we have 70 people. Good morning. Quality is fine. Hello, beautiful. Hello, more. Hello, beautiful people. Valley. How you say it? I don't know how to say it in English. But that's essentially from Fabio Valentini. Okay. Do you guys want some... Before we start, let me maybe add some music. Or wait, I will get copyrighted and yeah, I won't be able to be published on YouTube then. 23 viewers on YouTube. Guys, come into Discord, not YouTube. I won't read chat there. Ah, yes. By the way, trading was halting on all props. Oh, okay. Can you guys speak? Or is it only me able to speak here? Oh my god. We can only listen to music. What the fuck? You'll have to put us up to speak. Damn, I wanted to like wait, so how do I do that? Where is Zen? I need my moderator, man. What's up, Dor? How do I wanted to do the backtesting with everyone. Like I want to hear your thoughts and so on. Permission. Hello, man. First time in your life. Nice, bro. Welcome. Do normal voice then. Yeah. That also depends on who wants to speak. If somebody doesn't like, do I have like maybe, I don't know, 3 people? Mention everyone. I can mention. Ah. Okay. Do we have some people that feel comfortable speaking and talking? Thanks for your life. No worries, bro. Maybe that then I can just put them up or let them join the stage or how you do it. We speak in Discord. Are you live in? Yeah, I'm live in Discord. Can you give me advice how to backtest? I'm struggling to even start and don't know what to do. Join the Discord, bro. G Helios. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna backtest today. Okay, seems like nobody wants to speak. This is only for recording. Yeah. Okay. Come on, guys, somebody. I want to hear thoughts are you going to stream on Discord? Nah, I don't think so. Only on YouTube. Okay, it's fine if nobody wants to speak. Sure. Let's start, guys. Let's start. Let's see. By the way, I got myself my Lucid account now, so um my PC will, if I go too far back, it will not be good. Maybe we can go to first off, select this, and let's start from 30. This is the time where market opens for me. Okay. Holy shit, how should I read the chat? Okay, I will have to go between. Set. Okay. I want to know what you're waiting for so you can. I want to know what. Now I'm waiting for everyone to get ready. Why we are all shy for now. Okay. What confirmation? What's the pre-market preparation? Yeah, let's start. It will be like usual. I want to hear the thoughts. Okay, you guys don't have to speak. You don't have to like talk, but please write. I'm gonna ask you guys what you guys would do here. Maybe we can do a. Yeah. Okay, let's do this. Okay, has it loaded? Everyone can see. First of night. Yes. Let's put this there. Let me do this. Reset. Okay, first of all, what's the bias? I want to hear. I think I personally, okay. I want to hear, guys. What's the bias? Watching at the left side. Wait, what does it? It should show you. YouTube says long. Bullish, bullish. Long, long. Okay. Nice, 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 nice. Something we can do, obviously, merge these profiles. They are pretty much overlapping with each other. And we are bullish. Market building value higher, back to composition value area low. Yeah, current bullish, but long term might reject previous day. Okay, okay, nice, nice. Let's do. Yeah. Okay, we are bullish. Long, but we have an obstacle of last day's poke. YouTube says short. Okay, why short, guys? We are shifting higher on the value area, so bullish. Obviously, we have composition poke here, and here we have value area high. By the way, let me everyone on Discord. Do you guys still see my deep charts even if I shift back to Discord? So right now, can you see it, or does it says like yes? Okay, 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 okay. I was like, okay, maybe it says it paused. That's why. It might feel okay. Okay, we are bullish. So what can we do? Let's mark out. So what's the most significant level from the buyers? Clearly here. Also in parallel with the BOK. And I have a question. Does anybody, because this is POC, okay? Is it really smart to even plot out this level? Like, it's obvious that we have a lot of aggression on this zone or on this level. Should you mark this out? Does anybody have an answer? Pav, are we bullish? Yeah. But bro, ES has unmitigated big demand at the ES. What's, what do you mean by ES, bro? What term do you use to say if we're bullish or not? 5 minutes. I love how you pronounce that. Last line of the week. If you can't break it, S&P 500. But yeah, okay, yeah. I was like, did you mean S&P 500? But this is not today. This is back. This is like 4 months ago. This is backtesting. Why bullish bias? I don't see reason for higher. We shifted higher in the value. Look, we had a lot of profiles here. The day after, we shifted higher, so that's why we are bullish. But it can still change. It's fine. Oh, is it? No, this is not live. This is backtesting. Market is closed today. Y'all tripping. Nah, it's fine. Okay, does anybody have an answer for this? Should we mark out this zone even if it's in correlation with POC? I don't have an answer for it, but I think like this. If price comes up here to POC, to this level, we might chop here. Or if we break above, yeah, who knows? So I'm wondering, does anybody have an answer? Should we mark it out? Or does somebody know? Probably not, since it's POC. Okay. This can be something to take into consideration. So when we see price come up here, remember this, and then we see what happens. But for now, sure, we can mark it out. It's fine. Okay, and then we got this level, and we also got this from sellers. Let's mark this out. Okay, we can mark this out as well. Okay, let's see. No words. Yes, you can mark it out. Like if price gets to this level, buyers recover. The biggest point of aggression is there. Okay, yeah. The delta level are mostly from value area. That's the thing. Obviously, we know that delta levels are most important in those areas, but I'm wondering about POC. Akaza says that you should mark it out, and it makes sense. Like it's a delta buy level for a reload level for buyers. But the only thing that I found problematic with it is that this is like a magnet. You know, when price comes here, it just chops. And usually we don't take trades on POC, but yeah. But this is good. We are now. I want you guys to discuss so we get a good answer. Bro, are you watching today or not? Or no, this is backtesting. Yes, in AMT it's a rebate, so if buyers still willing on that price, they would still push it up. Okay. Why not draw the volume pro from the very bottom? Seems like you didn't do that. You can do it, bro, but it doesn't. We're not even here, bro. So if we come closer to this, or I say, if we go lower, then I would drag it. Right now we are here, bro. I don't need all this info. Outside of the value area, when you have a huge delta like this, is worth to keep an eye on. Okay. When we do break the POC, with POC there are 3 scenarios. Okay, sure. Damn, this would be so much easier if you guys can speak, but it's fine. I will read your ideas. With POC, the three scenarios. We run it completely, reject, we chop. Yes. What's the highest chance? What's the most probable? What's the, how you say it? Out of those three, what chop? Yes. Why? Balance area, right? Market wants to stay in balance. Yes. 70% of the time. The only model I can think of that is like good with this is, you know, guys, you guys know the Virgin POC model that Fabio talked about? Like, we break out of a balance, then we come back and retouch it. Then these zones. But yeah, okay. Pablo, have you tried some momentum plays already? Yesterday, I did it, and yeah, I talked with Morl actually about it. When I try to, when I try to take a tripod, I always get fucked. Same, that's true for me also. When I try to take a trade there, but this time the thing is, look at this. We have this. It's a huge buy aggression zone, delta buy delta. Like it's super big. Maybe it will act differently this time, or most likely. Okay, should we continue? What more do we want to look for? What do we want to mark out more? How about high volume nodes? Since we're going from balance to balance, right? And in this case, we got a huge. What the heck is this? This is good. Poke trades, low volume node. Yeah, nice. Dark. Dark, by the way, after you corrected me on low volume nodes on the live every day, I keep looking at it. Yeah, no trade on pot. That's why we wait on anomalies on the price action level. Yes. How about look at this, guys? Look at this low volume node. And look at this sell aggression. What happens if we go below this zone, this sell zone? Retest and sell. Sellers reload. Nice. And what happens in these low volume nodes? What will prices usually do? Buyers getting shit. Oh, Gurkan, yeah, from YouTube. Guys, join Discord. I don't read this chat so much. Selling we can see. Let's test it. Let's see what happens. But look at pre-market. Pre-market came down, rebalanced, or we filled this low volume node, pushed up. Let's see. Let's see. Let me know when you guys want me to start. I can play it slowly. I swear the first time you said I don't know, hasn't break it yet. Pop, do we have any strong delta levels at the low volume node? No. This is quite empty. If you don't count this one little. Now I have something to. I have a question. Does anybody have an answer for this? So we know that low volume nodes we explode through them, but sometimes they also act as a rebalance zone. In this, how do you determine? Oh wait, more. If you're hearing this, maybe gamma negative. Oof, I don't know. Probably we see a lot of selling, but if buyers aren't good on that price, then probably they will fight for it and push it up. But in past. Okay, but in past. Nah, it seems like it's empty. Yeah. Not there's no levels to this. Since we're bullish, I think long will act more like a support resistance so that we get okay, nice. Well absorbing we go. You see? So some people say reload and we go through it. Others say since we're bullish, we will rebalance it and then go. So this is the now the real question is how how can you say it? Obviously nobody knows 100%, but I want to hear what is the most probable scenario that will play out. Sellers will get absorbed and we go up. It's more like a react thing, not predict. Okay. How are we bullish? We're watching the daily volume profile, but now we're opening below. So this is also a good indication that we are maybe not bullish also. I'm not gonna say it. Fabio uses lower low as potential support and entry zone, but that is after a big imbalance move. Not sure how it behaves in generic daily. Yeah, exactly. This is why we do backtesting. We want to see what happens. I don't know what will happen. I'm gonna be honest. Bullish. Yeah, I would only go long if we recover that opening gap. Now, guys. Let's play. This is why we do backtesting to see what happens. It's okay, guys, if you have wrong. I don't know the answer. I'm gonna be honest. Why is it 14? I put it to market open. And what the fuck is this pre-market? Okay. Oops. Most good. Okay, I'm gonna keep playing it. I'm gonna let it go. Most good probability. We look at the footprint chart to see if more clear. Yeah. Okay, nice. I like it. You guys are disgusting and disgusting, disgusting. And let's see. Look at this pre-market. Clearly, we are balanced. Okay, can market open? What is this? Maybe don't say this is a holiday, like a bank holiday. Free short if you destroy that buy delta. Okay, nice. Yeah. I like it. We're adapting to what we see. Okay, I think this is a bank holiday, guys. I don't know what this is because this is going super slow. Bro. Yeah, this is. Can somebody check this date? Uh. Oh, it's a replay. No, it's backtesting, bro. What is the date? Here, bro. I will publish. And you are. Yeah, okay. I think this has to be a bank day or some holiday shit because what is this? Nah, okay. This is. Damn, I wanted it to be a normal day so we can see what would play out. Okay. Okay, let's go to next stages. This is unlucky, guys. Okay. Okay, this time maybe we can do it a little faster. Let's see. Yeah, this was definitely a bank day or a holiday. Oh, okay, let's go like this. Let me merge these. Just moving it. Yeah, Labor Day. Hello, boys. I'm late. No worries, bro. We just started. Okay. Yeah, unlucky that that was a bank day. It would be interesting to see what happened. Um, uh, and this is something interesting. What happens now? Look at this bank day. Like okay, we are opening up down here compared to this day. Are we bearish? Like you don't even count these days, if I'm not mistaken. But maybe we can go. Let's go a little ahead, so we get something normal. Let's not start with this shit. Okay, now what are we? I want to hear. Hello, Ryan. We are on Discord. Join us there. I'm not looking at this chat so much. Typically 2 days in a row with lower value. You're bullish for the next day. Okay, yeah. What would you guys say we are now on this day? We shifted higher. Bullish. We rejected this. Traded above composition profile. Composition POC. Here we are bullish. Bullish in short term auction. Because in long term, I think we are in consolidation area. Okay. By the way, I know that some of you guys are more advanced and know a lot, and you think this is just simple. But I'm trying to just get how you say it, make it so everyone understands and it's simple, so everyone can participate. What's the name of for the left chart? Just volt charts. This is maybe I can link it to. This is daily volume profiles. Here, deep chart templates. There you have the templates from both charts. Okay, this is interesting day. POC below us, composition. We shifted higher. And this little shit here, I don't know. Let's look at all of this. So if we are bullish, look at this reload zone. Maybe we can just look at it like this. I don't see anything specifically from the buyers. Low volume node. Or this is the gap, right? Pablo back then. Yeah. Okay. So bias, well, we shifted higher, bullish. But if we break below this, maybe two scenarios. We will fill this and go, or since sellers we reload here, we push back to composition POC. Let's play the day and see what happens. And let's also mark out. Yeah, okay, this zone is still valid. Like, and this is also a gap. Okay. 1514. Let me see. 15027. Okay. Now it should market open on New York. We have this consolidation area. Okay. So we have last line of defense from the sellers here, and then we got some buyers. And poke in the middle. And I'm also watching on the left side to see how value is building right now. Okay, let's push it. Let's see. Okay, aggressive buyers are stepping in here. Let me just. I think some of you guys wanted it to be in text. Okay, I have a question here now. I want to know something. We have aggressive buyers that push above this last line of or the support or what you reload zone for the buyers. However, we got these trapped. Look at this. And this is also a high volume node, pretty much from the day before. Isn't it gonna show? I want to know, would you guys try to buy here or wait till we break above this? So we got this trapped, this absorption zone, but we broke above this support reload zone. We wait for confirmation. Okay. What would you guys wait for? Can be also a liquidity sweep to go down. Okay. Yeah. I would wait for an absorption. Would you guys play the breakout or the revert back to POC of the range? But of course, the bias is bullish. Depends on what the big trade. Okay, I would play it for you. You guys, let's see. But need to see Stellar step in. Almost you missed the entry. Almost you, yeah. Okay. Yeah, I wanna hear. I wanna see what happens. Maybe I can take this away because it's cluttery. Okay, let's see what happens. So we got some aggressive buyers stepping in here. This is the zone that previously sellers won and buyers lost. Depends on who is. So any confirmation to bullish would be taken more serious. Okay, nice. I like bias bullish. So you would, yeah, you're leaning toward bullish. Depends on who is winning. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna pause also so we can discuss, and I want to hear some things. Aggressive buyers here failing. Do we see any sellers confirming this? No. No sellers are confirming it as of now. And I believe if you guys watched Fabio's, I think it was with Andrea, no something. Sure, they are getting absorbed, but if no sellers are confirming it, that means we will most likely give it another How you say it? Try. Okay, here comes the other test. Buyers are pushing. Pushing. Keep in mind, look at the left side. We are in this gap. Okay. Now this is interesting. I'm gonna pause it here. Aggressive buyers on the top. Pay with what model suits you the best so far? That's the thing. I'm just trying it, but I feel like breakout model and moment trend model could also be trapped by depends of the strong hand. I may have taken a quick long here depending on the node of the last swing. Okay, I'd say buys will protect the recent push up or a minor consolation. Should break and retest to go long. Okay, a lot of time here are just passive absorb that are stronger than active. Okay, let's see. We have buyers entering here. They are pushing aggressively. Will we get this? Oh, what the? How Fabio says it? Or do we need to see something? Okay, boom. There we got the small explosion. This is something I talked with more yesterday about. When previously when I tried to enter on say these trades, I always see trapped buyers on the top because it goes so fast. And then you get shit on a little and then it goes. So how would you time this? My initial idea was that, and this is also something Fabio said, never take the initial move, so the first explosion. Maybe something like this above, or maybe wait for trapped sellers or stuff. Retest go and go long. Yeah, that's why you wait for the retest. Okay. Let's play. Boom. So, okay, I didn't even put an entry, but wait for pullback and then do volume profile on the last leg. Okay. That's why you wait for retest. So if, yeah, okay, nice. You guys, yeah. But so the first initial move, trap buyers, boom, and then a buy stop above. But maybe this is also too early. Yeah, don't enter off the deep trade. Fair value gap on the top of break-in zone. Fair value gap. The entry would be at least a test at the last pullback that shows buyers pushing up. Okay. I want to see something here also. Let's look at cumulative volume delta. This is something I'm trying to implement more and more. I want to see what happens, but yeah. You saw that fast move, by the way. We most likely can anticipate a low volume node. Look at this. Right here. But then we also have one where the breakout started right here. We also have one here actually. Okay, let me remove this because we don't need it anymore. Today no trades off the yeah. Join the Discord. We are backtesting and learning. Wait for pullback. We'll place a limit order on the big buyer. Okay. Yeah. See on CVS red small then big green candle. Okay. From Fabio on Riz. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, this one very attractive. One guy said put limit on this. You can see it came back, touched the fair value gap. Fair value gap. Look at me. I'm starting to, bro. You're in low volume, no, bro. Find low volume node. Yeah, okay, yeah. These are the low volume nodes on this leg. Here is the first. Okay, why didn't it? Hello? All right. Oh, okay, okay. Wait, it's because one guy said entry here on low, this low, how do you call it? Big order. Let's see if his trade will hit. I don't know where you would cover yourself, bro, but maybe say since you're obviously anticipating this will hold, so we go. Let's just put it like this. I want to see what the other guy said. I'm playing your trade now. I don't remember who said it. Okay. Pause. This one got shit on. Fine low volume. Yes. Show diverge on the last red candle. Okay, let's zoom in on the CVD. Let's see. Okay, obviously these ones are not directly holding. How about a retest on this zone that we broke? Third one now test this one. Would you enter of this one, Marcos? On this low volume node? Yes. Okay. I'm gonna place a limit there. Stop loss, where would you put it? Ideally, conservative entry. You want to see buyers entering on retest of low volume. Nice. I like it. Below the wick. The wick on. Wait, let me do it like this. Stop. This wick. Or do you mean all the way down here? Hammer wick. Hammer wick. Okay. So this one. Yes. Okay. Let's see. I'm gonna zoom. Oppa, oppa. Okay. Now we got some sellers. You want to see? Not look at these guys on the left. We are at POC here now. So value is rising. We're seeing it clearly. But the real question is now, will this breakout succeed or fail? So none of these low volume nodes held, nothing. It all failed and went back. You know, this is something I learned yesterday actually. This is gamma. Now I don't know what the gamma was on this level or this area. Essentially, if it was negative, it means most likely more probable for explosion, breakout, volatility. Whilst if it's in blue zone, meaning positive, it's most likely it will revert. So it will balance, if you say it, if you can say it like that. What if we initially took? Yeah, this was not a trade. Wait, buyers entering aggressively, coming back. These guys get trapped, retested, push lower. Go on. Spot gamma on option. Yeah, yeah. So essentially, can I take up a picture of it maybe? You guys see this, right? The hero indicator, right? Yeah, this is exactly. This is something new that I'm trying to learn more about and implement. Um, and that's something Fabio uses. It and if you guys saw Lucas Franceschi or what his name is, I didn't understand it from the beginning, but he talked about okay, we're entering red zone, meaning gamma negative. So this is a zone where higher chance of like exploding. Did you buy here? No, no, I will buy it, but I have to learn more about it. There is no confirmation to take long. Okay. Did you the indicator? Yeah. So essentially, in market we have several zones. We can have red zone. This is what I know for now. We have red zones. We have blue zones. And the thing is, when price comes into say a blue zone, it's most likely that we won't have it will range. It's range bound. When we enter a red zone, then okay, wait, I have to turn on the thing I learned yesterday. When you enter red zones, to keep it simple, higher chance of explosions. So, say for example, now, if you look at this zone, if this whole zone is blue, it's a big chance that we will mean revert instead of exploding a trend. That's the thing. But I'm early into this, into learning this. So yeah, so far this is what I've understood, and obviously that it has to do with market maker has to hedge or so chase the price or something like that. In that, so in red zones, market makers has to hedge, chase the price. That's why price moves because they have to like follow it. In negative gamma zone, option dealer chase price, and in positive gamma they hedge. Exactly, exactly. Okay, I said hedge. Yeah, so this one hedges, this one chases. So when they have to chase, we go fast like explosion. When they have to hedge, isn't that like then we get range bound? More likely we will range. But this software or program costs $300 a month. But okay, for us that doesn't have it, okay, what can we see from here? Okay, we can see the aggressive buyers are accepting price higher. Okay. What I like to wait for is aggressive sellers pushing, but maybe better would be in here. And then I put a stop buy above. So if we go above, they have to cover themselves, buyers. So we are still, that's my bet. That's my approach to this model. Yeah, and red on top might be blue, blue on top, red below. Okay. Yeah. Okay, let's play price. Okay, so clearly what have happened now? We have accepted back into this area, into this zone. Where is Pok? Pok is same. Down here. Can we take maybe a short back down here? Low volume node here. Let me see what you say. Okay, let's play. If it hits Pok now, or basically it did, then I would actually just stay out of it, and then we have a boring day. Okay, poke, poke, boom. Nothing happens. We go through it. We're starting to get big sellers. Poke moved lower on the day. Yeah, this day. So just chopping around. Okay. Yeah, this is why I don't like to trade at poke. Just for this reason. Okay, okay, okay. Shit, shit. Maybe to start with, we could collectively buy here and gamma, and during the years we would. You know, actually, I have no problems with doing that if you guys want. Like, we can all, if you guys want to, I can, I can set up something so we as a community buy it, and then we can use it. So for everyone to see. So basically, you give maybe, I don't know, how much does it cost? $300, and if enough people are interested, we can split it, and it becomes cheap for us. Can you do profile on current session? Could we be simply ranging? Yeah, yeah, exactly. We want, yeah, it move away on POC for like 20 points and then go boy. Yeah, yeah. Not bad idea. Why not, guys? I have no problem with setting that up for us. But essentially, with that, then say we are when we are trading live, obviously, and we know that we are joining or we are coming into a red zone here. Yeah. Then on these situations, I would like go heavy on breakout. I don't have to wait so much for stuff, but we have to learn more about it. That we're going for learning because each of us will learn. Yeah, exactly. Sure. Let me create a poll in how you say in Discord. Create a poll. You can go in and vote. Vote. Spot gamma and hero. Guys, hero. What is it called? It is included, right, in spot gamma. I'm not mistaken, right? That would be great for them because yeah, I will join after finishing my school. Okay, sounds good. Let's see. Let's see how many people wants to do it. I can set up something on unusual join activity detected in what? Okay, I don't know what that is. I really want to learn this shit. Same. Dark, you took his mentorship or what's called. You he uses hero to confirm. That's the other thing. He uses hero. What the hell it's called to confirm his entries. Trust me, if you guys learn about it, it's makes sense. And breakout. Yeah, I would like to join, but in my case, for now, I can't. Maybe after a few months, then I can join in the sport game. But this is a really good call for. Okay, yeah, I can put up something. We can, how you say, gather people, and then when we have enough, we can get it. It obviously doesn't have to be directly right now, but yeah. Essentially, that would be like getting bookmap and I think who did it? Some servers do that. One guy has bookmap and he shares it to everyone. Look at this sell aggression zone. This is POC. Oh, I say how I say POC of this range and low value area low. We just visited here. Then we have trapped sellers. Shit on. The day's POC is up here. It's gonna be a game changer. Yeah, by the way, 244 people. Damn. Hero is the most expensive sub. 300, yeah. But 300 times equals 10 times. Yeah. Can we take long? Yeah, affordable. Yeah, we can look for maybe a revisit to POC. Okay, guys, let's do some little more backtesting. I know it's not so much execution. This is also a good call to just talk about ideas, like what we want to do, like with Hero. And then Paulo scams. Definitely, bro. I'm gonna take all your money and I love it when you guys say I'm gonna scam and if you guys said that to somebody else, like on this YouTube, no, I'm not gonna do it. But when I say yeah, I'm gonna scam, then you guys, yeah, I hope you get it. That's how you know the difference between somebody that's suspicious and not. Okay, can we look for a trade back to POC? What do you guys think? Broke out of this. Uh, $16, $12, so not 10 or 11 a.m. Let's look. For you guys that watched Fabio's bootcamp, okay, this is not the sniper level because it's from the sellers, but would you guys bet on a move back to POC here? Or do we continue? Take a long now. Bro, I literally just watched Eman about Danny Trade, right? I literally watched Eman about Danny Trade. Who is Danny Trade? I have to look at it. Take a long now. Why would you take a long here? I want to see what is your confirmation. What is the reason behind it? Because now we are falling and these guys, look at this. This is not good. Wait for buyers. Lot selling pressure. No, I leg down with seller. Wait for buyers. Wait for. Okay, nice. Yeah. I would also wait for something to confirm the idea. Maybe if we break even lower. Look at this sell aggression zone. If we break below this, we might reload and go. We go to. Yeah. Let's play it. Wait, sell absorption buyers winning. Sell absorption. Yeah, let's see. These sellers are losing, obviously. But now we have a battle between this zone and these. So now it's interesting to see what should we do, what should we not do. So the best thing to do here is just wait. Wait to see something that confirms something or not. So, okay, we are at the sell aggression. Our seller's gonna reload here, or our buyer's gonna keep protecting this. Let me pause. Let me see what you guys say. It will be a good short because we have fresh previous day POC below. I like it, yes. The fact that you saw it, Feng, damn. I like it. Yeah, exactly. This is, yeah, like Feng said. Look at this poke right below all of this. But the thing is, where do we take a short from? Because say we short and these buyers step in again, we get shit on. So what should one do here? But aren't we near high volume node? Yeah. We're also in a zone of high volume nodes. This is all, we're basically in the shit, in the middle. What do you do now? Let's play it, see what you guys think. Peng said maybe look for short. I would be interested to see where do you take the short from? Because you take short to the poke. Okay, buyers entering aggressively, defending the trapped sellers again, defending the zone. Buy. You say buy. I would go take a piss and do nothing. Okay, wait. Let me see. Marcos. Okay. You say buy. Do you say buy now? I can buy now if you want. Or do you want to place a stop limit buy or something? Eren say no. First to take liquidity. Marcos, have you liquidity? Okay, yeah. Continue. Waiting for trapped sellers in a candle and aggressive buyers on top. Okay, I like it. G key king. If the buyer's absorption, we can take short. Don't trust ICT. I need to see a volume profile on how many volume on how many volume on that low. You mean on this? We broke below the last line of or these sellers. We broke below it. I can clean up the chat. How you say it? The screen for you a little. So I don't see any buy aggression around it, but I see a lot of absorption from passive buyers. So on the delta, I don't see a lot of buying. Yeah, buyers did push it up, but failed to push higher. Auction now wants to go down. Okay, this is interesting. This is really interesting. Let's see. I'm gonna pause it and see what happens. Buyers are entering aggressively here. Would you guys do something like this, maybe? Something like this. Or would you wait for aggressive sellers? Maybe a retest of this reload level. Are trap sellers a bullish signal? Yes. CVD can help in this case. Okay, let me see. Where is my CVD? What the heck? Okay. What does CVD say? This is the low, right? By the way, I'm new to CVD. I haven't used it that much, but I assume this is the way to think about it. Look at this is the low. We pushed higher, and now we're here. But price made a lower low. This one made a higher low. What does that mean? I should absorb the sellers and go long. Okay. I don't like CVD. It's not showing much. Exhaustion. Exhaustion absorption. Okay. There is no divergent execution. Do you want me to enter long or sell? I'm gonna do what the majority says now. It made a lower low, but CVD doesn't show strength. Okay. Long, not yet, but not okay. Let's see. Might happen that we missed the trade lower now. Boom. That went fast. And these fellas, okay, we have poke here. No wonder that people are entering. Okay, but essentially we missed the trade now. But sure. No. Oh, okay. Shit. Yeah, I can't. I don't have the screen up. I can't see you. I wait to close the can. Okay, okay, wait. We can still say that we take the trade. I want to hear from where, but obviously this is in hindsight now. But you guys said short now, short, short. Okay, Atrias, Gurai, and Peng. Where would you guys take the short from? Marcos also said short, or said now would not long this. I stick to take my piss on the rank candle with trap buyers. So here, right, or something. Is this what you mean? Yeah, if the speed was good. Yes, I won that. I say wait for it to hit poke, and once it does, we look for reaction reverse. Okay. Yeah, and quick break even. Okay, so you guys would when this closes, you enter market, cover yourself above, and aim for poke. Dios míos. Let's see. Scary for me. Don't like it. I'm in shorting into the. Did it hit? It didn't hit, but we would have been break even. I think this is a break even then. But this is okay. Yeah. I like it. I like how you guys discuss and why you say why you want to do stuff. Okay, let's. It will. Oof, took us out. Boom. Okay, then it hit. Scary for me. I don't like it. I like buyer the low generally. Instant break even and holding losers in this scenario is crazy gambling. Yeah, this exactly. Okay. If hit TP, I'm going to take sell order. Okay. If the auction wants it higher, then it wouldn't have come back in the first place. That's why it's high probability short. I like how Peng saw he saw this how close we were to poke, and then we broke below this reload level. Obviously, we didn't get a retest, but this is a sticky situation. We have trapped buyers here, sellers here, and yeah, how you enter here is crucial. Can you put sell order? Where? If it hit TP, I'm going to take a sell order. On POC or on this level again? Buy now. Marcos wants to buy now. Yeah, but it could go higher and reverse from the bot. We don't know until we see how it reacts, the target. Sell order on the target. Okay. So you want to sell on POC? Is that what you mean? This it hit the stop personally. Okay, that guy Gurai wants. I'm gonna call it Gurai. You want to sell on POC? Aaron says no. There are many trap sellers and the buys for the days. Okay, it's good. We can see what happens. This is good. We are learning. There's no stress. And one said, Marcos, you said buy. Okay, one says buy, the other says sell. Don't sell. Okay, Aaron also says don't sell. Wait for it to hit the poke, then we wait again for a reaction on that poke. Don't trade on poke. Yeah, I know, Aaron, but this is good for people to see what happens when I sit on my hand. I like it. I like it. Oh, this is a rule I like to do. When poke is there, bro, go do something. But I want to let's show him what can happen if he takes an entry here. And Eren, wait, who was it that said Pock is too dynamic? I will use it as an TP, but not as an entry. Nice, exactly, Manu. Very good. It's a magnet. Use it as a take profit. Stop loss is the high. This high. You want to place it here. Is that where you want me to place it? Okay. I'm gonna let it play out. Obviously, we might even go, but from what we've seen, many. Okay, wait, let me just remove this so it doesn't takes me in the wrong direction. Okay, wait, let me see. Oi, oi, oi. Peng said, wait for reaction. Okay, didn't take us with us. I said buys, yeah. VWAP is good to see who's in control. Let's buy with no stop loss and TP at all time and nothing can go wrong. Where is today's POC? Now I'm looking at today's POC. It's all the way up here. Okay, let's say, okay, your trade didn't go hit. Still, I'm looking short. Okay, you're still looking. Yeah, it's fine. Let's see. I said buys. The thing is, I don't see any aggressive buyers. Nothing. What is this? Sure, trap sellers, buyers aggressively enter here. But we could have chopped either way. But now let's see what happens. Are we breaking out of balance? Here we have, if you break above this, we come out of this high cluster or this high volume node. Whatever it is. What day and time is it? It is here. I will do this. You can't go, but don't go and watch in hindsight and then come back and say like, I do this. That doesn't. Also diverge on the graph at the bottom. Did you see divergence on the graph at the bottom? Okay, nice. I see what you see here. So what does this mean? Price went lower, but how you say it? Pressure went higher. Exhaustion, buyer stepping in. Nice. This is good. That means the price is lowing. You see how good this is. Obviously now we're doing it hindsight. We're pausing and we're giving everyone time to think. But when you get really good at this, you do it in real time. You can make money like this. I think we will come back to POC. Eren says, okay. Buyer stepping in. Yes. Nice. Okay, aggressive buyers are entering. We broke this. What did we break? Look at this. We broke this sell aggression from sellers. Sell delta level. Now an aggressive buyers on top. Interesting to see. Will we go back to this POC? Let's plot out where sellers will defend. Most likely defend. And where buyers will reload. Shit, I'm getting a call from my fiance. I have to. Okay, what is time? We can finish up in like 50 minutes. This was very nice session actually. That means the price. Okay, I think it's time for a third screen to watch this stream and trade. Third, to watch this stream and trade. Do you want to? I think it's time for a third screen to watch this stream and trade. You want to take trades? Maybe eat a break and retest of the aggressive because it's leg low. Maybe ETH. Maybe the break and retest of the aggressive seller break because it's a leg down. I'm gonna try to no, but to learn and have charts open at the same time. Sorry, my English is not that good, man, bro. Can you scale it down? How you say? Make it easier. No, but to learn and have charts open at the same time. Yeah, but that's why we also use footprint chart, and also it's also shows the presence of the buyers and seller. These long weak rejection could be an imbalance that the sellers already unloaded their position because they took the price and that they already won. Okay. Fabio also said when you have a leg down with aggressive sell, don't long in the structure. Wait for a breaking the leg down. Interesting. Nice. Let me see. So you mean do you mean this leg down? You want us to break above this and then take a trade? Okay, so essentially you're talking about his volume and price session that he talked about in the bootcamp. So don't just base your trades on volume. You also have to implement price. So we want to break above to have price confirm the volume in a sense. What's up, Virtus dude? We are in Discord. You can join here if you. I'm not reading this chat so much. Yes. Wait for the block, bro. Okay. Okay, let's see what happens. Order block. That's great. Okay. Buyers. Shit on. Okay, can we get something? Okay. Push. We broke above already the biggest aggression seller from all of this. So obviously, this is the biggest aggression level from the sellers. Then we have up here, the next one biggest. These two are also here, but maybe look for a trade between this zone up here. This one makes sense. Why? Because we have POC up here. And POC is the same way. Okay, it's the same place. Let me see. Long now. Okay, I'm gonna take a long here for you. Where would you place your stop loss? Right below this. Cover yourself here. And would you aim something like this? Stop below the low. Yeah, that's a good long. Okay. Target. Okay, I placed your trade now. Let's see. Let me see. You play the target up below. Okay. Okay. Boom. Trap buyers. Let's see. This is a zone we have to break above. If we break above this, I think we will get a big move. Like we will go because we are. Look at this. All of these fellas. More aggressive buyers. They seem like they are interested. Aggressive sellers. Oi. This is really good. Really good. We reject of POC 19.0. It's a great long. break even. He wants to go break even. Sure. We TP at 25,600. Whoa. 25,600? Bro, that you're looking at today's price, bro. We are in 23,500. Do you mean 23,600? But look at this, guys. Aggressive sellers on top, aggressive buyers on bottom. Something like this, I swear I would like it. Really, something like this. But it's also interesting to know if we are in a red zone, if we are negative gamma zone. So we don't anticipate a reverse. I will remove my trades so we can see yours. Stop in profit. Down here. Where would you place your stop in profit? Here or here? Below big buyer. So where I placed it. Or lower. Put it 25 and break even or take at least 50% off position. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Nice. We have that in in our mind. Are you satisfied with where I put your stop loss, Eren? Below big buyer. Okay. I would like to maybe enter here on a buy stop above for a continuation after this candle closes. So let's see. This is the fight. They're defending. Now, actually, this looks good because what happened? They went down. These guys showed up again. I would most likely still hold my position here to enter on a buy up here. Let's see if I get shit on or not. Maybe put out 2-1. Do you guys agree on this trade? Yeah, hold it. Magnet is working. Would you guys approve this entry? So having a stop buy right above here, since we have these trapped sellers and we have these buyers that clearly defended this again. And we have POC right above here, and we broke through this sell aggression level. I would take this prop below the big seller. Yeah, it's still a good scaling position. Okay. Let's play it. Boom. So my trade would have entered here then. Let's see if it plays out. Trapped buyers on the top. Let's see. Here is a zone. If seller lose, where did they have control? Well, up here. So big chance we will come up back here. Okay, I'm gonna speed this up. Nice. What are we? I will put myself to break even if we wait. Wait, let me see if stop below the big seller. Stop below big seller. Okay. Updating your position. Yeah, it's still okay. I like it, guys. I like it. This is super nice. We're learning so much. Look at this fucking trade. You see? Oof. Beautiful. Stop below the last big buyer. Okay, do you mean this one or do you mean this one? I guess you mean this one, 82. Something like this. Magnet. Yeah, exactly. Peng. Poke. Okay, you mean this one? Yes. Okay. I would be break even right now on my trade. Big sell aggression. Let's see. Poke is right above. Let's see. Hit. Oh, of course it's gonna edge us. Fucking shit. Holy. Yeah, that's some bullshit. Like, we know it will. Okay, wait. Look at Poke right now. It moved lower. Okay, in this situation, would you kill the trade? Are you satisfied? Or will you take what is this? Or would you greed for 2 more ticks? Close it, kill it. Nice. Okay, this was a good trade, guys. You took it. This is good. I like it. Close. And you took the trade from here. Something like this, right? All the way up here. You took a 1 to 2.8. Let's just make it easy. Just put it like 1 to 3. 100% because we flush back below. Okay, nice. Yeah, I would also kill my trade when I see something like this. Kill it directly. That's why it's always important to look at the poke. Oh, it moved lower? Okay, if I'm in profit, take the money. What is optimal input for big trades? Guys, come in on Discord, not the... Move stop loss below the last candle low. This candle, you would put it there, huh? Or would you put it there? I like it. This was a really good backtesting session. I love to hear your ideas. Obviously, in real time, it's a lot harder. You can't think this much, but from my understanding, you guys know your shit. Actually, really good. Yeah, like Fabio, give it a last chance. Okay, I'm gonna play it just to see what happens. Oh, I swear I hate Poke when it does something like this. It moves. Yeah. And it does like something like this. Yeah, fucking hate that. Okay, posture check. I'm sitting like a tree. Yeah, like Fabio says, it's never good to give back to Mug when exactly. It was my yeah, Aaron. This was good. You and Peng had good, or obviously everyone here had some ideas, but I liked Peng's idea when he saw something. He wrote in the chat like, "Yo, we got Poke right below here. Why not aim for something like this?" And obviously, you guys also said, "Okay, yeah, that's true. Let's take a trade like this." And we broke below this sell aggression, but then who was it that said the exhaustion on the Poke? CVD, boom, exploded up. He said, I want to enter here, boom, back to Poke. Okay, this was my trade, maybe not as good as yours. Mine was here. Buy stop above, cover myself here, look for explosion. In this session, I would have taken a loss in my first trade. It's fine, bro. Look at your last trade. Yeah, you can add value and Poke in the main no profile. Okay. Me. Nice, Marcus. Yeah, you saw that. Hello, I'm back. I needed to install. Okay. Yeah, we took some trades. It was good. We shared some ideas. Shorted gold after CAD CPI. Okay. I'm sticking to my 600 target. Hey, super. Very nice guy. Yo, man, are you crazy? Oh yeah, just a brief summary. More. We took a short after we broke this line. Something like this, I guess. Back to Poke. I guess it was break even. But yeah, but the idea was correct. Then the sellers got trapped. Buyers entering here, pushing up. We broke this line again, so this sell aggression from the sellers. And then Aaron and I don't know if Peng, you said you would buy here, but I think you said this is a good long. They wanted to enter long here after, and target was POC, which was up here. And this was my trade. So we have trapped sellers here, buyers here, stop buy above. The candle didn't look like this, but then boom, up to POC, same shit. That's it. If you merge the value areas of the previous consolidation, the value areas at 20, it will come. See you tomorrow, guys. Bye, guys. Nice. Aaron, yeah, but in this type of trade, we take our stops for like a few points because we know that if it goes below or so, then it's probably not a good trade. It's good. Pablo, on a slightly, can you show at some point how easy or difficult it was to set up Deepcharts with Lucid credentials? Sure, I can show you now. I think the backtesting session is over now. It was really good. I really enjoyed it. I love to hear you guys show me your ideas and thoughts. And as you can see, it's really good. For example, in this situation, we had 100 thoughts, ideas, and one guy came out with the with the most valid idea because he saw this POC magnet, and we go from magnet POC to POC. Yes, it came to 600. I just hey, bro. Okay, I will play it for you. Damn, Manu. Yo, 200. Oppa. When did it reach, bro? Next week? No, it's going. Oh my god, bro. This is taking fucking ages. At 22, but it came. Oh shit. My day would be the consolidation acceptance, but this would be ICT since a sub price. ICT. Hindsight master, huh? Bro, it's a swing trade at this point. Oh shit. Wait, my day would be the consolidation acceptance. This is interesting. More nosy stuff. I want to see what his idea is. Your idea would be. I know what I'm doing. Swing scappy. By the way, IG, I can show you right after. I'm just gonna draw a value profile on the consolidation. Do you mean this consolidation? Or do you mean something? Yep, where you short from? Okay, yeah. So you already know. I still would never use Serena. He'd lose. And once back in your target POC value area, go for breakout. Once back in your target POC value area, or go for breakout. Are you meaning for a short now or for a long? So once we are, do you mean back here? On that, okay. I was like, okay, on value area low, acceptance long. So once we come back here, you will look for a buy. Okay, this is guys, listen now, because this is I'm also learning. More knows his shit. You will go buy here. Okay, we accept. I understand that we accept a price back into how you say it, value area. You take a long. Then you have 3 target. Yes, footprint will help here. Ooh, this is interesting. How do you activate footprints on this? Is it deep print, right? Okay, let me remove this so we can look. This is interesting. Okay, what do I have the right deep print modifications, settings? Or would you look at something else here? Yes, it's bid ask. Okay. Because he will see a lot of open fair value gaps. I use delta. Okay, let me see. Oh, deep print, ask bid. You say you use delta. Save. And not box profit. It makes it easier. Okay, okay. Let me fix it. Use profile. Okay, sure, nice. Okay, this looks nice. A tip: if you see a big passive buyer, the absorption a big. If you see a big passive buyers, the absorption a big aggressive anything, big aggressive buyers in important level. Okay, yeah. Okay, yeah. It's interesting. The only thing I think Peng also the thing is when we are in POC and we see some setup, we always see some setups like that. You take an entry, and then it goes back to POC and just ping pong shit. But I see what you mean, Aaron. It's good. And not okay. What's up, Aden? Delta? You see the trap sellers and the recovered buyers. When you mean trap sellers, you mean this, right? And do you mean this as the recovered buyers? I don't know. I never used footprint. Yes, and the left is trap from before. Okay. You mean these fellas? Okay, recovered. Yeah, yes. Now I see. Okay. Exactly. When they add, they explode. Oh, okay, nice. Okay, recovered buyers. Yeah, we also have these aggressive buyers. I didn't even see these. I forgot them. Okay. So you would enter. Holy shit, bro. You have to be super fast. Damn. It's like Amplify. Yeah. It's the week also. No follow up on the sellers. Nice. Okay, nice. I like it. Oof, look at that shit. Look at this retest. Look at the precision of this. Yo, hey, yo. Deep prints. Yo, maybe I have to start using this shit. Oh, shit. Look at the fucking. Oh, yeah, I can. You see? Yeah, this. Okay, this is nice. So essentially, what more would do is okay, you have this range marked out. When we see value accept back into it, into value area low, so back into value, you zoom in, you see these sellers losing or get shit on. These buyers getting how you say reload amplified, and then you would enter. Would you enter on a stop buy right here, or like directly when you see it? Would you enter here? What's the time frame for this chart? This is range chart, but be careful only on qualified zone. Okay. Explain this again. I didn't understand it. Okay. That's when you get the snipe level entries. Market, yes. Okay. This is for anyone. And the Moreland, correct me if I'm wrong now. So, Manu, you know when we took the short here back down to POC? You were here, you saw this. Okay, now we want to, something Aaron also said, like we see aggressive sellers here and then we have aggressive buyers. Obviously, they get absorbed. Okay, bomb. We get some reaction from POC. We're moving higher now. So what more looks for is like we had this value area as soon as we accept price back into it, he will look for a long, but he also looks for this. We have these aggressive buyers that lost previously, but now they will reload when we go above, like they're reloading. And you also see this on the footprint. These sellers, I assume they are getting trapped. Like this is what it means. They try to push, so the delta is high. So they try to push, so they get absorbed. And this would be his entry on market when you see something like this. Maybe cover himself here, I don't know. So even a earlier entry. Yes. Look below the push at the pole. Those wicks show sellers and operate. That's why it pushed back up. Oh, guys, this is free sauce. How you say it? This is, what did you say? Look, that's okay, Peng, nice. Okay. Look at all of these sellers getting shit on. Oof. Buyers entering aggressively here. I like it. It's good. I'm learning much today actually. Can I use it on the 1 minute or just range? Bro, ask these guys. I don't use deep charts, deep prints or footprints. Any time frame is good. Okay, there you go. Yes, they wouldn't be your stop your idea would be wrong if they recover this. Okay, for me, I like that they accepted the profile. Okay, I like it. Damn, this is nice. Damn, footprints. This is scary accurate. Like, look at all this information, and then you have to analyze this in real time. Of course, this is the hard part, but bam. The only thing I would be like hesitant in taking a trade here is obviously because Pok is right below us. But as soon as we get this, acceptance back into value area. So this is a really early entry. Sellers getting shit on. Buyers amplifying what's called. Okay, boom. We push above and we go. Let's try to. Where did Eren say he would like to take a long? Was it here? Yeah, you have to really focus on that. Damn. I'm learning more from 20 random dudes I met on YouTube than 11 years of Skype. So we don't even need big trade. Delta profit more than enough. Yes and no. That's why it's always good to wait for your levels to hit and watch the footprint. Yeah, I'm gonna start using it. I learned today something new. But this trade in real time takes immense. That's the thing exactly. But I guess Manu, when you know what you're looking for, you just wait for it. You don't have to like okay. I'm just like for example. Okay, say you want to take like more said here. You say you wait till price comes up, and if you see sellers entering here, but they get shit on, and we accept back into value, and then you see this buy aggression here. Maybe just a stop, boom above. That's your bet, and your stop loss is gonna be really small. Like, look at this, right below here, boom. Big trades is your heads up to look what is going on. But this trade, yeah, I would took it after initiation. Do you have level 2 there? No, I don't have it. Look, Aaron, at this. Yeah, you said initiation, but look at this is the zone you took the trade on. But look at this, the fucking sniper on this shit. I think this was your level, right? If those, yeah, that's why I love the template X-ray vision that download because I see volume inside the candles. I'm gonna start using it legit. Those zero prints in value will likely be magnet in the futures. Yeah, this is imbalance, right? These zeros. they usually get filled. Or I'm wrong. I don't know. Those yellow boxes, those are POC, right? In the candle, I assume. Or is those something else? Yes. Okay. I like delta inside candles. Yes. Yeah, the stacked ones. Okay. I want to see my entry. Okay, where was my entry? My entry was up here. Right here. Aggressive buyers entering here and aggressive sellers entering here. My entry would just be a buy stop right above here. But let me see if I can zoom in and see something. Say we take back time. Is there something here that's interesting for me to look at? I see this. So we saw this in real time. If you look at the replay of this session, this is what I saw. When we were here, price obviously went lower and then retested this zone from the aggressive buyers and then pushed up. This is why I put my stop buy right above here. But now that I look at it, is there something interesting here that you guys see that I don't? Yeah, I have one with delta. Okay, you guys talking about. This is a good session. Really good session. Tested this. Look at this, all this sell. Let's follow it. Not that much, although you can see the big getting fucked. Yes, yeah, that's it. That was. I saw that. That was my only like idea. I saw that we had these big sellers entering right here. So what the candle did was just this. It went this and like this, lower, and then I just put my stop right above. It came down here, tested it, found buyers again. Boom. That was only it. Look at delta. Yeah. Look at the precision of this shit. Oh shit. Sellers, look at it. Yeah, trapped sellers pushing. This is fucking good. Exactly, on the print it's and buyers want these two can't, well, these could show that there's no participation on that price and the price will be risen. These two candles show that there's no participation on that price. Do you mean on the green ones, the big? These? Okay, yeah, you mean that. Okay. Wait, can you explain that more, Peng? Exactly. On the print it buy, they absorb everything. I guess something that could give me more like confidence in like, okay, we're going to the moon is when you see this. You see these aggressive sellers, these delta levels, and price is still rising, and then you enter a buy stop limit. That I guess that's also something. But that shit is in real time analysis, fucking AI bullshit. Yeah. Holy shit. That can be super hard, man. Or is it super hard? You just watch the level and react fast when you see. No, I don't think it's so hard then. You just have to know what you're looking for. Oof. Cell absorption at big buy delta. Yeah. If you mean this one, yes. It's interesting. Very nice. Maybe try a replay. You get the hang of it fast. You just need to see it live. Yeah. I learned a lot today. It was good. I wasn't this zoomed in into footprints. It's like I was more like looking big orders and just okay, sellers entering. Okay, price is going lower. Testing buyers by aggression. Okay, no result going up, okay, then put buy stop limit. That's it. But now obviously you get like evidence on what happened. There's still a lot to learn, figure out about this footprint chart, but it is real order for trading. When you look at into not just candle, this is good. This is really good. You will see me start implementing this in my trading on my live sessions, and I will most likely be shit at it, to be honest. Like it's because I'm new to it, but this is fucking nice, man. Wait, is it fast? I have to see if it's fast because I don't think I want to. Okay, it's like this. Okay, is this the settings that you use more? Just this, nothing else, right? I agree. B is just warning system. Okay, yeah, exactly. You should replay it. Can I replay this again? Fabio also, I can try it, Aaron. Fabio also uses candles with volumes profile. You watch how value moves and whether it moves in the same direction as the candle. Oh yeah, I watched that on the 50 min, right? IG. Sooner you will be good at it, Fabio. Yeah. It's good. Maybe I can replay it so we can see it in live action. How it's like, how fast it is. Is it possible to go back? I can just. What time is this? 16. Let's put it at 16. 16. What the fuck? Okay, let me just do this. 16. Okay, you can only move forward. I'm really sorry, but try to beat this, bro. What the heck? What's this? Yeah, but on a 40 rate, no, it's just too fast, especially on New York session. It depending on the volatility. Ooh, okay, you guys, what do you guys using? Yeah, I love it, but I have no level 2. Are you in Discord? Okay. But if you trade London Asia, maybe, man, you see it more clear. Damn, maybe, why not? Hopefully my school is okay and I get passing grades. Why not trade London session also, and just to practice footprints? That would, obviously the moves will be like super slow and shit, but a lot of time to like practice. More. Oh yeah, he has trace. Okay, you guys see on the image that I showed you, the red zones, gamma negative, the purple, or they called it blue before, but I guess that's gamma positive. So essentially, when we come into a red zone, more volatility, higher chance of explosion. And when we come into purple, higher chance of ranging. I guess that's it. Correct me if I'm wrong, but more. Yes, it's true. Okay, nice. There you go. By the way, more, we all thought about buying Hero together and then stream it, so splitting up the cost. But that will be maybe later. We have to see. Teaches this shit. Yeah. Guys, ask him about that. He knows his stuff. Yes, why not? Oh, there's a good way. We keep the risk lower, not the risk. Like it will be cheaper for everyone, and we get essentially the same thing. And if we get enough people, that's basically free. However, the thing is, obviously, some people. What the guy, like, I have no problems with sharing it, but if you guys want to keep it private, if you get it, like if we all pay and you guys like, no, I want only those who pay to see it, I respect it, but it's up to you. For me, as you can see, I share everything. So I don't care. But let me know. Everyone have to come to an agreement. I'm not gonna do something if not everyone is agreeing on something. So I'm neutral in that. I'm fine with sharing. Okay, and obviously we have to make sure that they, if that's even illegal, like how you say it, is that even legal? Maybe the guys that are selling the thing will say, "Hey, what the fuck are you guys doing?" Like, you can't share this on. I don't know. I am 16. I don't have a bank account and credit card. What? Okay. Maybe you can try in real time tomorrow, but your setup will probably change. Like the market profile will go on the screen and you scan it beside the footprint. Yeah. To be honest, I would pay 300 so I don't mind if it's cheaper. Yeah, it will benefit everyone. Let's create a sect and throw all of our money in a high risk leverage asset and become millionaires or homeless. Yo, Manu, what? I swear, throughout this whole session, Manu has been fucking hell, man. Yo, YouTube. Okay, I'm done, guys. I don't think there's more backtesting. See you tomorrow.